Let's see. Well, you, Pat Meister and Phil, two.
Phil who? Phil who?
Phil H and Selmo. You are two very unique persons, man, you know? You, Patrick, you are, I see the fucking future rock star in you, man. I see the new Axl Rose, man.
Axl Rose.
Like, it's fucking great, man. I see it for me. It's coming in my fucking
I know,
dreams,
man, I know. And that's what makes me similar to Phil.
Yeah, Philip H. Anselmo, he's just like a big, fat bomb like the two of us. Bomb style is the real style. Fuck. Similarity, no. Fuck civilization, man. Fuck that bullshit. It's so fucking overrated, man. Everybody lived there was fucking civilized state of mind, personality, shit, bullshit, motherfucker, man. I just feel like fuck all that shit, man. Look at this. The fucking